Bienvenidos! Welcome to Origami with Miss Cynthia. One of my favorite holidays to celebrate is Dia de los Muertos, Day of the Dead. It is a Mexican tradition where families get together and prepare for weeks for this day to celebrate our loved ones who have passed away. Today, I will show you how to create a skull, a calavera. Let's get started. The supplies you will need are a sheet of paper, a pair of scissors, and some coloring supplies. Alright guys, once you selected your sheet of paper, we're going to bring one of the corners down to the bottom edge and start folding that triangle shape, and you're going to cut off this rectangle edge off. And go ahead and just cut that off. Okay, so once we cut that off, go ahead and open up your page again. And we're going to fold it top to bottom. So fold it in half. Some good creases there. You're going to open up your page again. You're going to fold the top and bottom to that middle crease there. Alright, and so after this fold, you're going to switch your page in a vertical direction, so up and down. So it's going to look like a cupboard. You can open that left and open that right. And from here we're going to bring that bottom piece and fold it in half, so bring it to the top. And create that really nice crease on the bottom there. Go ahead and open it up again. You just created a crease right through the middle. You're going to bring this bottom piece up to that middle crease. Just like this. Alright, go ahead and open it up again. Go ahead and flip the entire piece over, making sure that your creases are on the bottom side. Okay, so from here, you're going to bring that top crease and fold it into that bottom crease. So connect the two creases together, just like this. And then flip it over. So your flap should be facing upward. We're going to do value folds from this point to that crease on both left and right. So value fold here. So do that triangle fold. And then do work on that on the right side also. Alright guys, so what we're going to do from here is you're going to open up that sheet of paper, and it has to align to this middle section here, but at the same time we're going to use that crease we just created to push it down so it forms a triangle. And the triangle should align to that bottom edge here. We're going to do the same thing to the left, okay? And feel free to pause the video, you guys. So bring this sheet of paper. You can stick your finger in there. Bring it over. Align it to that edge of paper, the edge here, that crease. And then at the same time, you're going to recrease this section here, pressing down so it forms a triangle. And then the little flap here on the left side, bring it to the left, to the edge of this. On the right side, bring it to the right, just like this. Okay, so now bring this whole entire bottom piece to the edge of here. Now your paper does get a little thicker, so you have to use some pressure, use some muscles. Okay, so from here we're going to open it up, flip the whole entire page, and earlier we created a little pocket. And that crease that we just did, you're going to recrease it going upward. It's a little bit easier when you do those creases, because our next step is to place it inside this little pocket here. So just tuck it in there, just like this. Okay. Now you're going to flip your piece over, because this is the front of your skull. So you're going to flip it over, and let's focus a little bit on the top. So you have the left and right corner, and we're going to do valley folds to the center. So top corner, bring it to that middle edge. Left, do the same thing, just like this. All right. The point of this triangle, go ahead and bring it down, and your stopping point is here, just like this. Okay. The bottom corners here, we're going to do a valley fold up until these creases here, just like this. So bring it up and crease it there, and then bring this side and crease it there. Okay, now you're gonna flip it over, guys, and here is the base to your skull. And you can have fun with this. You can add as much color as you'd like. I'm gonna start with tracing my teeth. Well, not my teeth, but the skull's teeth. Go ahead and trace those. And then I also like to start off as a guide with my nose. So I'm going to do an upside down heart. You can do whatever you'd like. I'm going to color that in. You can use as many colors as you'd like. You can use 2, 3 colors. You can use black and just black marker if you'd like. I've seen some really cool just black marker, and sometimes even like a sketch just with the pencil. Man, some of those are really amazing. Okay, so that's my heart there, and it's up to you, whatever's easier. If you want to go through here and use the pencil or a marker and start your designing. So what you're doing right here is you're just building a base, kind of like a blueprint. You're just sketching it out as to what you want to go back and color. I love flowers, and sunflowers is my favorite flower with roses together. I just feel like that just looks amazing with all the yellow and the orange and red. You can use whatever designs you want on here. Do some circles there for my eyes. It doesn't always have to be flowers, you guys. You can use kind of more like a mandala, like art. And just have fun with it. So once you, trace whatever you want to color, you can go back and add some fun colors to it. You can do like the outer shading darker and do kind of like an ombre as you're going inside. Just have fun with your skulls. And a lot of these skulls represent loved ones who have departed. So I love one of mine. He loves sunflowers, and every time I look at sunflowers, it reminds me of my grandfather, and dearly missed. I'm going to bring this over. I took a little bit of time with that one, and representing some of the fun colors. Blue, ocean. He loved ocean and sunflowers, and I kind of meshed in some of my colors too. I love that blue and pink, and just have fun coloring in your skulls. And there you go, guys. There is your origami skull. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next week for more origami fun. Adios. Bye.